Welcome to Greenwood Ave, y'all. We are 2 days away from Christmas, and we're about to go see if we can find us some Christmas gifts at some Black-owned businesses. Candles make the perfect gift. I know, for example, my grandmother loves candles. So we're gonna go check out this Black-owned candle spot called Simply Scent Company. So let's go check it out and see what they have to offer. Nice presentation, I like this. These are nice. Then they have different flavors over here. Tropical ambrosia. Very sexy. This one is socket to me. Smell good. It smell like the cake. You have this burning in your house, you'll be wanting to eat cake. It smell good though. Hawaiian splash. This one looks good. It looks fun with the different colors. Oh, that smell good. That smell real good. Cucumber melon. It's a holiday flavor. It smells really good. I'm liking this one. So they have tons of different scents to choose from. Look, there's even more over here. So look, they have a variety of different flavors. I say flavors, but different scents to choose from. So look at all of these, and then look, they have more over here we can check out. Oh, high maintenance. High maintenance. I don't like that smell. I guess because I'm not high maintenance. Ooh, this smell sound good. Cherry almond. Ooh, this smell real good. Cherry almond. Ooh, this is my favorite so far. Oh, look, they also have the matches for the candles with the long stem so that you can reach out in the candle and actually light it. That's pretty cool. They also have some body oils. So some bath and body oils, shea butter. Oh, look, they have a Michelle Obama body oil. So they offer those. Electrical oil burners. Moving too fast. Oh, all right, look, they also have these cute little bundt cake candles. They are so cute. I don't know what. They smell good too. Smell like food. Made me want some dessert. They smell like a strawberry. So I wonder if these little box. These are their holiday candles. Ho ho ho, 'tis the season, jingle bells, naughty, Merry Christmas, peace. Oh, that smell, that's got a clean, this one has a clean smell to it. Real fresh. Oh, and then they have these with motivational sayings. Winning, blessed, stay focused. I like that. Smell good too. Alrighty, so they also have these aroma sprays in different flavors. I keep saying different flavors, different scents available, and some burning oils, and they offer some electrical burning oil burners. Pretty nice. These are really nice. I like this one. Oh, that's pretty. Look how pretty that is. these fancy oil burners. $25, that's not bad either. Some signature oil burners. Those are nice. Alrighty, so I'm gonna get me a few candles for my grandmother for Christmas. She loved for her house to smell good. So I think she would really like those cherry almond ones over there. So I'm gonna get some of those. Alright, so I have 2 cherry almond candles. These smell really good, y'all. And then I also got a lemon bundt cake. Y'all saw the bundt cakes earlier, but it's in the box. So you saw what they look like. This one also smells really good. So I'm gonna get these and take these to my grandmother and let her enjoy the fragrances. How long have you been here in this location?
8 years.
8 years? How did you get started?
Well, 17 years ago, I started making candles in my grandmother's kitchen, just trying something. I was a flight attendant. I'm a veteran. I've been in the military. So I was just trying something. I've always sold things. That's good, B. I've always sold candles. I mean, not candles, but different things or whatever. So I just tried making some in my kitchen, and I went around and sold them in my trunk to like all the beauty shops and barber shops. And I was a flight attendant at the time. People kept calling me back for more, so they laid me off, and I got to do the candles full time, and it kind of went from there.
Wow.
I used to just go around selling candles, and for the first 4 years, that's what I did until it got too big to where I couldn't reach everyone. Then I got a small location off of Darwin. I was there for a year. I was on OSC and Scott for 7.5 years, and then I've been here for 8 years.
Oh, okay. And so your products are also in some Walgreens?
We were in 25 Walgreens for 6 years, and we've been independent now for the last 2 years. Yeah, we were in Walgreens also.
That's awesome. So can people order online?
Yeah, they can order online at simplyscents.shan.com. They can come into the store. They can order on Amazon. They can order on Groupon. We're located at 5217 Alameda, right here in the heart of Third Ward Museum District in Houston, Texas.
Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations. This is a really nice establishment. So if you're ever in Third Ward, you have to stop by Simply Scents Candle Company. They have some amazing candles with some amazing smells. So come out and support this Black-owned business. She is doing great things. So make sure you come out and check her out.